Ever wondered how to get your PayPal funds into your Westpac account? Thinking face, it's a common question, and thankfully, the process is pretty straightforward. You can't directly send money from PayPal to Westpac as if it were another PayPal user, but you can withdraw funds from your PayPal balance to a linked Westpac bank account. This is the standard way to move money from your PayPal wallet to your traditional bank. Linking your Westpac account to PayPal. Before you can withdraw, you need to make sure your Westpac account is linked to your PayPal. If it's not already, here's how to do it. On the PayPal website, go to your wallet, then click Link a Bank Account. You'll follow the on-screen instructions, which often involves entering your bank login details for instant verification, or providing your bank account and BSB details for a small deposit verification process, which can take a few business days. On the PayPal app, tap Wallet, then tap the plus sign next to Banks and Cards. Select Banks and follow the prompts. Once linked, PayPal may send 2 small deposits, under $1, to your Westpac account. You'll need to confirm these amounts in your PayPal account to fully verify the link. This is a crucial security step. Withdrawing funds to Westpac. Now that your Westpac account is linked and verified, withdrawing money is simple. On the PayPal website, go to your wallet, then click Transfer Money. Select Transfer to your bank. On the PayPal app, tap your PayPal balance, then tap Transfer Money, and then Transfer to Bank. You'll then have 2 main options for how fast you want the money to arrive. Standard Transfer. This option is usually free and typically takes 1 to 3 business days to clear. Keep in mind that holidays and weekends aren't considered business days, so plan accordingly. Instant Transfer. This option usually incurs a small fee but gets the money to your Westpac account within minutes, sometimes up to 30 minutes. This is great if you need immediate access to your funds. The fee will be clearly displayed before you confirm the transfer. Select your preferred transfer speed, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and confirm the details. Always double-check the amount and the linked account before finalizing to avoid any issues. While standard transfers from PayPal to a linked bank account are free, do be aware of potential fees for instant transfers. Also, if you're dealing with different currencies, PayPal applies its own exchange rate, which includes a currency conversion fee. This typically involves a markup on the mid-market exchange rate. If you're sending or receiving international payments through PayPal, it's worth checking their specific international transfer fees, which can vary. Westpac itself generally doesn't charge for receiving funds from PayPal via these direct withdrawals. However, it's always a good idea to check their terms and conditions or contact them directly if you have concerns about specific transaction fees on their end. So, while there's no Send to Westpac button in the same way you send to another PayPal user, the withdrawal process is the secure and effective method for moving your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.